Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In this video, we have an AP Precalculus type of a question for you from the topic of exponential functions. Let's dive into it. The exponential function f is defined by f of x equals a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants. The table gives values of f of x at selected values of x. Which of the following statement is true? X is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. F of x given as 4, 8, 16, 12, 32, and 64. So, to solve this question, I suggest you to use given function and substitute the given values. Start with the 0. When you start with the 0, you're going to put 0 for x, and this is given as 4. This must be equals to 4. 0 to the power of b to the power of 0 is 1. We know that. So a times 1, which is 1a, is equals to 4. So therefore, the value of a is 4. We just found that. And to find the value of b, I'm going to use the second given value of the function, f1. So a times b to the power of 1 is equals to 8. I know that a is 4. 4 times b to the power of 1 is just 1b. It gives 8. To get the value of b, I'm going to divide both sides by 4. So b is 2. So a is, first of all, you can go ahead and eliminate the choice a and c because the value of b is greater than 1. So now I have b or d as an option now. When I look at it, does this growth, the numbers, as x values increases, y value is also increasing. So because of that, this is the f, we can just say that the function demonstrates exponential growth. And the correct answer is choice B for this specific question then. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.